or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanisha's Latrice. I am a wife and working mom to 4 beautiful children. On my channel you can expect to see wig reviews, fashion inspiration, vlogs, and so much more. So y'all already seen the thumbnail, you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luvme Hair. They sent your girl over this drop dead gorgeous beauty right here, honey, and I am so excited to get into the details. But before we get into the details, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a Luvme Hair rat tail comb, a Luvme Hair baby hair brush comb combo, a Luvme Hair hair clip, wig caps, and a Luvme Hair drawstring bag to help store your unit in. So let's get into the details of this unit. This is Luvme Hair All Day Comfort Glueless 7x6 HD Lace Loose Body Wave Pre-cut wig, baby. I am wearing this in the color Natural Black. I am also wearing this in the length 26 inches, but you do have the option to get it in 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, and 28 inches as well. The density on this unit is 180%, and baby, she is a lot of hair, but isn't she gorgeous? And she's lightweight at the same time. The lace type is HD lace. Don't this hair look like it's coming right out of my scalp? The lace area is 7x6, which means it goes across 7 and towards the back 6. And by it having a 7x6 lace area, you are able to part it in numerous ways. You're able to do a left part, a right part, a middle part, a C part, whatever your heart desires. The hair type on this unit is 100% human hair. You do get one comb in the bag. It is a wider comb and it is removable. You will not get any combs on the side. This unit comes with a silicone grip adjustable band to help give you that glueless effect. Now baby, let me tell you about the new innovation that Luvme Hair has put into their units, honey. They have included the smart clip system, which means more people are able to give this wig a try. With the smart system, it comes in a small, medium, and large, so you can find out which sizing works best for you. It can go from a 19-inch all the way to a 23-inch head size. So more of our wig lovers will be able to enjoy this unit, and by having the smart clip system, you are able to wear it in a comfortable way and don't have to worry about the stress or any headache at all. It will fit you perfect to your liking. Now, does this unit get shedding? Just a little bit. It's not overwhelming, but do expect shedding with this unit. And is this unit glueless? Maybe. Maybe. It all depends on your head, how this unit will lay on you. With my particular unit, I had issues with the lace, so I had to put just a little bit of glue, which I will see later on in this video if you're interested in seeing how it comes right out of the box. But I had to put just a little bit of glue on the front part, not the whole part, just a little bit. Y'all see later. But it could possibly be glueless for you. On me, unfortunately, I wasn't able to wear it glueless, but I can see it being able to be worn glueless. This unit also can be dyed, and this unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it. They also have included a C-shaped space on the unit, so it's not pressing up against the top of your ear, honey. It's very stretchy. That will give you that snug fit without the headache. So if you are interested in seeing just how we come right out of the box, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. Alright y'all, so y'all already know what's about to come at y'all. We about to get into this beauty right here, honey. Like, look at this gorgeous loose curls, these loose waves. I am so excited to get into this unit, and I also wanted to show y'all this new technology that Luvme Hair is doing. They have added the smart clip system. Okay, so you're able to wear this in small, medium, and large. Like, really? Absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and put her on. I'm going to tighten this band up a little bit, and I'm going to put the clip on the second hook, because my head is big but it ain't that big. We're just gonna take it off. Okay, and I'm just gonna put it on the second one. Just like that. Okay, so I got it on the second one. Now I'm gonna tighten it up, and let's go ahead and put her on.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you.
All right, now she looking good right out of the box. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Yes, honey. Okay. This is a lot of hair. Okay. Let's go ahead and put this hair back so we can get into this lace.
And you cool
now we're about to get into this lace. Put this hair back and clip it back. The lace is looking like it's doing its own thing. It's saluting me right now. So what we're going to do, because we're going to wear this unit glueless, we're going to get, y'all should already know by now, Nairobi, and we're going to use this around the hairline to help melt the lace.
You a move body giving scene reviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover warm, different vibe, you new improved, but you ain't even flexing.
While this lace is melting, we're gonna go ahead and get into this hair, honey. Okay, take this clip out. Now let's get into this hair. First off, we're going to brush it out.
Tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses.
This is her brushed out, and look at that. I am loving it. So what we're going to do next is, of course, we are going to curl it. All right, gonna curl it up and see how she looks.
Vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing, and you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about it side the most. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper. You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar. All of these women, they not on your level. You like.
So I am done curling her hair, and honey, it took me a minute to curl this hair because it's a lot of hair. Okay. You can't rush this, all right? So I done curled her up. We are about to take this band off to see how this lace did, and then we're going to finger comb the curls out. So let's go ahead and take this band off. Look at that. I'm not trying to do no baby hair for real. That's not my style. So I'm gonna soften it up some. Yeah, that's better. All right, look at that. Look at the lace. This lace, even though I had it down, it keeps curling up. It's not staying. It's not doing. So what I'm gonna do is, even though I wanted to wear this wig glueless, and it may be different on your head and your skin tone, for some reason the lace is curling up. Let me see if I cut it. Would it be any different? Because I really want to wear this glueless. I don't want to put any glue on it. So let's put this hair back for the moment, and let's see if I cut it, would it be a different?
But you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move.
I cut the part that was sticking up, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna mousse it down one more time. Okay, we're gonna mousse it down one more time before we glue it down. Put this hair up.
Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about it side the most.
Alright, y'all. So while that lace is melting again, we're gonna get back into this hair, and we're just gonna finger comb the hair out.
Level, You like a mix of business and pleasure. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. Then you cool, tatted up, cover warm, different vibe, new improved, but you ain't even flexing.
So I went in and I put some wax stick on the top part of the hair to control the flyaways, because there was a lot of flyaways, honey. Okay, so I did that and it looks so pretty. Look at that. Let's take this band off and see how the lace did this time.
But you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body.
The lace took better this time by me cutting the part that was saluting me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of holding adhesive spray on. Put this Even Wonder lace on. This is what I'm going to use to put on the lace. Not a lot. It doesn't need a lot on here. I'm going to put this hair back. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it on the end of this comb, because like I said, I don't need a lot. I just needed to get it on the, very tip of it. That's it. I don't need it on the whole lace. Like the rest of the wig is laying down. It's a little up right here, but I really wasn't too much worried about that because it was under the hair. But this side is laying down good. It's just this part right here. I do not know why. And it's the same part that I had that was saluting me that I had to cut. So hopefully when you get yours, the lace is cooperating with you. Because on me, the lace just did not want to act right with me today. I don't know why, but it did not. So this is how it looks. Okay, me putting that little bit of spray down, it really helped it. I just did a tiny bit of adhesive, not a lot, because it didn't need it. It just needed a little help. But it looks good. Once you get past the saluteness of the lace, it looks pretty good. Like that hairline, baby. The hairline is amazing. I am loving this hairline. Okay, all right. So now let's get into this hair. Look at this. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. I am loving it. So let me show you the back.
And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, yes, I applaud. Got me think about inside the moss. Words go deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper. You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar. All of these women, they not on your level. You like a mix of business and pleasure. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. Then you cool, tatted up, cover warm, different vibe.
All right, y'all. So let's get into the pros and cons of this unit. Starting with the cons. Now, honey, baby, we got some cons on this unit. Okay. One of those cons is the lace. It was saluting me right out the jump. It may be because of how it was packaged, because I have never ever had that issue with lace before, especially with Luvme Hair. This particular unit with this lace, I was having a little difficulty getting the lace to lay down, but once it laid down, it looks amazing. Once it lays down, it looks good. Okay. Another con to this unit, it doesn't have any layers. So if you want to put some layers into it, you can do so, or you can find a professional to put the layers in for you. But it's no layers. It would look so good if it had layers. Another con to this unit is that it does not have any side clips. Y'all know, if you don't know, now you finna know, I love my side clips. I love them. I love them. I love them. Okay, now they did put a removable back comb. I wish they would have put removable side combs as well, because I would have loved that option better than not having them at all. Moving on to the pros. Now, baby, this is some gorgeous hair. Okay, she looking absolutely drop dead gorgeous. One of the pros to this unit is that this hairline, honey, look at this hairline. Look at this hairline. This hairline, that pluckage on this looks absolutely amazing. It looks like it's like coming right out of my scalp. It looks so good. Look at that, just amazing. Another pro to this unit is that it has the smart clips, which give you that 3-in-1. Like, so any head shape could wear this unit. I am wearing it in the medium, and I tighten the band up, and it fits perfectly on my head. It's not too snug, it's not too loose, it's not gonna give me a headache later on. So I am loving the smart clips so that more wig lovers are able to try this unit out for themselves. Another pro to this unit is that it has a variety of lengths. You can go from 14 all the way up to 28 inches. Like, honey, whatever length you are feeling, you are able to get it with this unit, okay? Another pro to this unit is that it is a 7x6. I've always said, I feel like, in my opinion, okay, everybody may not be agreeing with me, but in my opinion, I feel like a 7x6 is like the perfect parting, okay? I feel like it gives you just the right amount of parting to do numerous parting styles. You can do the middle, the left, the right, the C part. I feel like it is a good amount of lace to work with. And another pro to this unit is that it is beginner friendly, and it was easy to put on. I did not have no issues putting it on, besides dealing with the lace. But other than that, it wasn't hard to put on. So overall, this is a good unit to have. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.